Hi friends, in last video we have reformatted the datasets. In this video we will define necessary packages required to create our model. Let's create a sequential model. The sequential model is a linear stack of layers. We can also simply add layers via the add method. The model needs to know what input shape it should expect. For this reason, the first layer in a sequential model needs to receive information about its input shape. Let's define access variable. This is needed for batch normalization layer. Let's define kernel underscore regularizer. Regularizers allow to apply penalties on layer parameters or layer activity during optimization. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel to see new videos. Bye.